Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. With a fresh set of spring holidays, we're bringing you French chicken salad. Let's begin. First, we'll prepare the chicken. We'll need a whole chicken breast, preferably with the bone in and the skin on. If you can't get that, just buy 4 chicken fillets. I couldn't either, so I had to buy a whole chicken and cut out the breast. To save us some time, we're going to roast it in this disposable foil tray. And I will prepare the chicken. We'll rub the skin with a little bit of butter and then just salt and freshly ground pepper. I'm going to use this salt and butter. No, it's not working. Hands. Bare hands. As it turns out, it doesn't work with gloves on. Bare hands. The hands are warm and they're melting the butter, helping it to spread around the chicken. The reason we're doing it with the whole breast intact, with the bone in and the skin on, is of course to preserve as much moisture. Prepared that way, the chicken is very moist and delicious. Now, just wash my hands. I've already touched the butter once, so I can use it again for something else. Just salt and pepper it to your taste. I don't like too salty things, so maybe half a teaspoon. Now it goes into the preheated to 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the juices run clear. The chicken is now ready and it's looking very good, and it took 40 minutes. And now I'm going to put it aside and let it cool completely before we make the salad. And now we're going to prepare the remaining ingredients. I'm going to chop finely these 2 sticks of celery, sharp knife. First, cut it into long strips and then across. And now we're going to transfer it into a large mixing bowl. There are many different versions of this salad. It's classic. And this is mine. Typically, you would put tarragon leaves into the salad, but I also like to use some fresh dill. It works well in my opinion. So I'll just take the hard stalks off. You don't need that much, but that much. Tarragon is very fragrant. Just very finely chop it. To the celery. Actually, maybe a little bit more. All of this dill, finely chopped. And now we're going to add some seedless grapes. Take a few at a time and just cut it in half. And now the chicken. I'm going to take the skin off and discard it, probably. We'll take the meat off the bone. And now I'm going to cube the chicken. That's all done, all the chopping done. I'm going to get rid of the chopping board, all the knives, and wash my hands. Now I'm going to prepare the dressing. About half a cup, probably, of mayonnaise, some Dijon mustard, and some lemon juice mixed with some orange juice. That's how I like it. Now we'll add some freshly ground pepper. I'm not going to add any salt because we did salt the chicken and there's salt in mayonnaise and mustard, so that'll do. But if you want to add some more salt, entirely up to you. And now I'm going to whisk this dressing with my tiny little whisk. As some viewers noticed, rubbing into smooth consistency dressing. And now we have a very nice pouring consistency dressing, which tastes really lovely. And now I'm going to mix it all. And that's it, done. The salad is now ready to be served. It goes really well with some freshly baked bread. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.